Feeling overwhelmed and stretched too thin? If your life feels out of balance, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into powerful strategies to help you create a work-life balance that actually works for you. Work-life balance is crucial. It affects our health, happiness, and productivity. Without it, stress can take over. This can lead to burnout and dissatisfaction. Balancing work and life is not just about time, it's about energy and focus too. When we balance well, we feel more in control. We can give our best to both work and personal life. Achieving balance is a continuous process. It requires constant adjustments. But the rewards are worth it. A balanced life brings joy and fulfillment. Personal priorities are key. They guide our decisions and actions. Knowing what matters most helps us focus. This clarity is essential for work-life balance. Priorities can be different for everyone. They might include family, health, hobbies, or career goals. Identifying these helps us allocate our time and energy wisely. Without clear priorities, it's easy to get overwhelmed. We might spend too much time on less important tasks. This can lead to imbalance and stress. Understanding our priorities is the first step. It sets the foundation for a balanced life. It helps us make choices that align with what we value most. Reflection is powerful. It helps us understand what truly matters. Taking time to reflect can reveal our deepest values and desires. This is crucial for setting priorities. Start by asking yourself questions. What makes you happy? What gives you a sense of purpose? What are your long-term goals? These questions can guide your reflection. Reflecting regularly is important. Our priorities can change over time. Life events and experiences can shift our focus. Regular reflection ensures our priorities stay relevant. Reflection also brings clarity. It helps us see where we might be off balance. This awareness is the first step to making positive changes. Aligning life choices with personal priorities. Aligning life choices with priorities is key. It ensures we spend our time and energy on what matters most. This alignment brings a sense of fulfillment and balance. Start by setting clear goals. These should reflect your priorities. Break these goals into actionable steps. This makes it easier to stay focused and motivated. Make decisions based on your priorities. This might mean saying no to certain tasks. Or it could mean delegating responsibilities. This helps you stay aligned with your goals. Regularly review your progress. This helps you stay on track. It also allows you to make adjustments as needed. Alignment is a continuous process, not a one-time event. Setting boundaries between work and personal life. Boundaries are essential. They protect our time and energy. Without boundaries, work can spill into personal life. This can lead to stress and burnout. Start by setting designated work hours. Stick to these as much as possible. This creates a clear separation between work and personal time. It helps you stay focused and productive. Avoid work during personal time. This includes checking emails or taking calls. Use this time to relax and recharge. This separation is crucial for maintaining balance. Protect your personal commitments. Treat them as important as work tasks. This might mean scheduling family time or hobbies. These activities are essential for your well-being. Practical examples for maintaining boundaries. Practical examples can help. They show how to set and maintain boundaries. Here are a few tips to get started. Create a dedicated workspace. This helps you focus during work hours. It also makes it easier to leave work behind at the end of the day. Set clear expectations with your employer. Let them know your work hours. This helps prevent work from creeping into personal time. It also shows you value balance. Use technology wisely. Set boundaries with devices. Turn off notifications during personal time. This helps you stay present and focused on personal activities. Schedule regular breaks. This helps you recharge. It also prevents burnout. Use this time to do something you enjoy. This can boost your overall well-being. The benefits of a balanced life. A balanced life has many benefits. It improves our health and happiness. It also boosts our productivity and creativity. When we balance well, we feel more fulfilled. Work-life balance reduces stress. It helps us manage our time and energy better. This leads to better mental and physical health. It also improves our relationships. Balance also increases satisfaction. We feel more in control of our lives. This brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. It helps us achieve our goals and dreams. In conclusion, mastering work-life balance is essential. It requires reflection, alignment, and boundaries, but the rewards are worth it. A balanced life brings happiness and fulfillment. So, take the first step today. Reflect on your priorities and start making positive changes. Your balanced life awaits. Welcome to the final chapter. Time management and self-care for balance. Achieving a balanced life requires effective time management. One helpful strategy is time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities, including work, personal tasks, and relaxation. Prioritize your tasks by importance and deadlines, ensuring you focus on what truly matters. Schedule personal activities as non-negotiable appointments. This way, you ensure that your well-being is not compromised by work demands. Let's discuss some practical tips. Start by creating a daily or weekly schedule that includes both work and personal commitments. Use tools like planners or digital calendars to stay organized. Remember to set realistic goals and avoid overcommitting. Now, let's talk about self-care. Maintaining balance is impossible without taking care of yourself. Incorporate simple self-care practices into your routine. Daily mindfulness exercises, regular physical activity, and engaging in hobbies can significantly improve your well-being. Don't forget the importance of spending quality time with family and friends. These moments of connection are essential for emotional health. Rest and renewal are crucial to avoid burnout. Ensure you get enough sleep and take breaks during the day. Listen to your body and mind, and give yourself permission to rest when needed. By prioritizing self-care, you maintain the energy and resilience needed to handle life's demands. In summary, effective time management and self-care are key to achieving a balanced life. By implementing these strategies, you can create a harmonious blend of work and personal time, leading to a more fulfilling and joyful life. Start today and take control of your time and well-being. Remember, your balanced life awaits. Reflect on your day each evening. Journaling can help you understand what worked and what didn't. Set goals for the next day and plan your morning routine to start your day with purpose. A calm and structured morning can set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's spending time with a pet, reading, or any other hobby, these moments are vital for your well-being. Nature walks and enjoying the outdoors can be incredibly rejuvenating. Practice gratitude daily. A gratitude journal can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life. Share meals and laughter with loved ones. These connections are the essence of a balanced life. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing your progress is crucial for motivation. Keep your long-term goals in sight. A vision board can be a powerful tool to stay focused on your aspirations. Remember, a balanced life is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and be kind to yourself along the way. Struggling to maintain balance between your work and personal life? It's time to make a change. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to UpliftTube for more insights on productivity, personal growth, and creating the life you deserve. Share this video with someone who needs it, and let's all strive for better balance together.